PTE Academic Speaking Retell a Lecture Marking Criteria. The speaking structure. Describe image is repeated 5 to 6 times. Preparation time is 25 seconds and the recording time is up to 40 seconds. The scoring is like this. For content, highest marks are 6, pronunciation 5, fluency 5, and the total is 16. Now, what exactly is the scoring? Let us see the scoring of content first. When you get 6, this means the response clearly shows full understanding of the lecture by paraphrasing and adding specific details. Vocabulary is varied and used correctly. Ideas are well connected and organized clearly with smooth flow. What does 5 mean? Main ideas are formulated successfully in own words with minor inconsistencies that do not detract from the overall meaning. For a 4, it means captures some main ideas, focuses on less important details, formulates ideas in own words with some success. 3 is little lower than 4, which means response captures some ideas from lecture but may not capture them fully, accurately, or be able to differentiate between important points and detail. 2 means mostly inaccurate, incomplete, or focuses on non-essential information, missing main ideas, repeating language, and limited vocabulary. 1 means repeats isolated words and phrases from the lecture, but does not communicate in any meaningful way. Restricted vocabulary, linguistic expression, and coherence. Whereas 0 is the responses related to the lecture but is too limited to assign a higher score. Oral fluency, highest marks are 5, which means native-like, 4 is advanced, 3 is good, 2 is intermediate, 1 is limited, and 0 is non-English. Pronunciation, the highest is 5, which means native-like, 4 is advanced, 3 is good, 2 is intermediate, 1 is intrusive, and 0 is non-English. With this, we come to the end of this video, and I hope that you have learned the marking criteria.